Welcome back to KK Autos, where we bring you the most detailed and AI-powered car reviews. Today, we're diving into the Toyota Sienna Hybrid, a minivan that blends efficiency, luxury, and practicality. If you're looking for a family-friendly vehicle that doesn't compromise on style and performance, then this one is for you. Stay with us as we explore everything from its bold exterior to the high-tech interior, powerful hybrid performance, and pricing details. Starting with the exterior, the Toyota Sienna Hybrid presents a modern and stylish design, setting itself apart from the typical minivan look. The front fascia features a sleek, sculpted grille with an aggressive stance, complemented by sharp LED headlights that seamlessly integrate into the bodywork. The glossy black accents, bold air intakes, and aerodynamic contours enhance its premium appearance. The side profile is defined by a smooth, flowing design, with large alloy wheels and body-colored door handles, giving it a refined touch. The rear end is equally striking, with sleek LED taillights, a roof spoiler, and a subtle hybrid badge that hints at its efficiency. Toyota has done an excellent job blending sportiness with elegance, making this one of the most attractive minivans on the market. Stepping inside, the interior of the Toyota Sienna Hybrid is nothing short of luxurious. The spacious cabin is designed for maximum comfort, featuring high-quality materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient lighting. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system, offering Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, and voice control. The digital driver's display provides real-time vehicle data, while the multi-zone climate control ensures a comfortable ride for all passengers. The seating arrangement is highly flexible, with premium leather seats that offer heating, ventilation, and power-adjustable features. The second-row captain's chairs provide extra legroom and even include an available footrest for added comfort. There's ample storage space, and with power-sliding doors and a hands-free liftgate, loading and unloading is effortless. Toyota has equipped the Sienna Hybrid with a host of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system, making it one of the safest family vehicles on the road. When it comes to performance, the Toyota Sienna Hybrid impresses with its efficient yet powerful hybrid powertrain. Under the hood, it features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a combined 245 horsepower. The electrified powertrain provides instant torque, ensuring smooth acceleration while maintaining excellent fuel economy. With an estimated 36 miles per gallon, the Sienna Hybrid outperforms many of its gasoline-powered rivals in efficiency. The eCVT transmission ensures a seamless driving experience, while the available all-wheel drive system adds extra traction for different road conditions. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on a long highway journey, the Sienna Hybrid offers a refined and quiet ride, making it ideal for families who value both comfort and fuel savings. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Toyota Sienna Hybrid is positioned as a premium minivan, offering a blend of luxury, technology, and efficiency. The base model starts at around $37,000, providing a great set of standard features. Higher trims, such as the XSE or Platinum, come with premium leather seats, a larger infotainment screen, and advanced safety technology. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to KK Autos for more detailed car reviews. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.